to make a logo with neon light effect in Adobe Photoshop. I am applying neon light effect on iPhone logo. Let's start. First, duplicate the layer of logo and open blending option, and then choose gradient option and go to purple color and select this badge. Then move the original layer to upside and duplicate to second as shown. Then make a group and put duplicate layer to the group as shown. Then select the layer and go to filter. Then select blur and then Gaussian blur and select radius 10. Then again duplicate the layer many times as shown. And hence you can see our aesthetic logo with neon light effect is ready. You can also select the whole group and go to blending option and go to gradient and can choose other batch of color as shown. Hope you like the tutorial. Please like and subscribe UNF Graphics Studio for more amazing 3D graphic designing ideas. Thank you for watching.